Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. Thank y'all so much for joining me. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoyto Creation Designs, and we're going to go ahead and get right on into this video. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a cute pair of earrings using this African print fabric that I purchased from a store. I would say a beauty supply store. I'm not even really sure, but the store is no longer open, okay? But you can get African print fabric from online, or you can purchase it from Joann Fabrics. Joann Fabric does have African print fabric, okay? I don't think Michaels do, but I know Joann Fabric does. You're gonna need a ruler. Okay, you're gonna need 2 shower curtain hooks. Two buttons, 2 fish hooks, 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire. This is the wire that I am using. Y'all know I use my tarnish resistant brass wire. You are definitely going to need a glue gun. This is a pony bead, okay? So you're gonna need a pony bead. And of course your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, all of these goodies right here. Flat nose. You will also need a 10mm bead, which is this color right here that I chose. So you're going to need one of these. Okay, 10mm. And this is a wooden bead, by the way. Okay, button, pony bead, 10mm wood bead. Okay, so I think that covers everything, and of course your handy dandy glue gun. And let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I did was this fabric is about 27 inches long, and of course y'all know I already cut my fabric. I already did what I needed to do for my fabric so that this video won't be so long. And when I cut my fabric, I always cut my fabric about half of an inch. Let me see. I don't know if this, I think this might be an inch, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, this is about an inch. It's about a little over an inch, but nevertheless, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to take your yarn and you just want to fold it on the sides to make it like this. Y'all know I do this all the time with my fabrics, okay? Once again, I'm going to say that the length of this fabric is 27 inches long, all right? So the other thing you're going to need is you're going to need a piece of tape. A piece of tape, any type of tape, something to cover, to put over this gap. See that right there? You want to find something to cover this up. So you're just going to take your tape, place it just like that. Make sure you put it in between the two. Okay, and then all you're going to do is just wrap it around like this. All right, just like that, to keep those two together, because you're going to be wrapping your fabric on here. All right, and y'all, you can do these earrings not just an African print fabric. You can use whatever fabric you have. All right, so what we're going to do next is I'm going to take my glue gun. I'm going to come here, and for some reason I always like to do this first. I put a little bit on the inside, and then I bring these two pieces together, close it up. Okay, and then I go up at the top and I just place some glue right there, and then I'm going to take it and come here on the inside, right where my tape is, and place it just like this. All right, just like that. So that's what you're going to have, okay? Now what you're going to do next is you're going to start wrapping this. So every time you wrap this, right, you're going to pull it as tight as you can get it, but not too tight, and bring it over, because you pretty much want each one of your wraps to look and be the same. You don't want one to look bigger than the other one. You just, because you want it to look in sync, okay? And you're just gonna take your time and go around just like this, and you're going to wrap it. Now, since this is going to take me some time to do, I am going to speed this part up so that we can get to the next part. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna cut this. So I'm gonna cut it like about right there. Okay, and I'm gonna take my glue gun and hit it with some glue. Just like that. And just bring it over like that. Okay. That's going to hold it. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wire, my 20 gauge wire, and I'm going to take this through and I'm going to pinch these two pieces up. Now you want to feel for where you have the where that little part is, and then I'm going to take it and wrap it around like this and then take it through and bring it up. So it really doesn't matter, okay? So that's pretty much what you want. And then you're just gonna take your button and you're gonna place your button on. You're gonna go on one side or the other side, like that. And then you're gonna take your pony bead. Now this part is important, and then I'm gonna explain to you why. Okay, if you look at your button, your holes have a little, like you have a little gap in between there, between each one of these holes. Okay, so you got 4 holes, but it's like you have just a little bit of space in between them. So whenever you use any type of, now let me show you what I mean. If you were to put this on, okay, you are not going to be able to bring that all the way down successfully. So you need something that has a bigger hole. That's why I'm using this pony bead to take it through so it can go all the way down. But even when you put this on, it's going to make it even, bring it down even closer, because you're going to be wire wrapping it. You're going to be wrapping it. So here you go. It's going to go all the way down. This is what you're going to have. And then you're just going to take, got some glue on my hand. You're going to take your round nose pliers and you're just going to come here and you're going to make a loop. When you're making that loop, you just bring everything down. You want to push it all down so it could be nice and tight. See? And then when you do that, you take it back around again, and then you just start wrapping it. Now you can wrap it once or twice, as many times as you see fit. Okay, I think I did it like 2 times. And this is pretty much what you should have, okay? This is gonna stay in place. All right, it's not going anywhere, but it is all going to, it's going to depend on how much pressure you apply to it when you are wrapping it, okay? So now I'm gonna take my cutters and I'm just gonna snip off these 2 pieces, okay? And then you can take your pliers and just squeeze that in like that, okay? And then all you do is take your fish hook, you open that up, and then you just decide on which you want to be the front. This is going to be the front. I'm going to slide that on like that, close it up, and then you have yourself a really cute pair of earrings that you created using these. Now, like I said, you can make so many of these earrings. You don't necessarily have to use African print fabric. You can use whatever fabric you have. But here they are. And they are, of course, you already know, lightweight on anyone's ear. Okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. I greatly appreciate your support. Please make sure you like, comment, thumbs up, and share this information out. Because sharing is what? Sharing is caring. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. Happy crafting. See ya.